Right, what is up guys? Welcome back to SlickTube. Today we've got a mad episode. We're going to pick up a machine from the 1970s, 1980s. Lulu surveying the operation. It's an old drinks machine, but we're going to get it, strip it, see what's inside it. First of all, we're going to pick up this first stock we've got here. Let me flip you around and show you. Got some nice big chunks of alley from a stair lift. Van's virtually empty. Here's the first stock, couple of pickups. Couple of decent tellies. Nice boiler with a lead wash in it. And all these little bits of spangle here. So we're going to get these on now, go to the machine and show you what it's all about, John. Stay tuned. Aye, aye. Right, we're opening that, fill that inside lock, bam, plenty more space, fill all the crevices up, fill all the middle bit. So it's stacked and packed, and then let's go get this drinks machine. Just get that wire in, John. Yeah, pull that.
I don't really care what you say here, there, or anyway. Yo, listen, yo, you don't know where I am from, you don't know my own.
Let's get these non-ferrous bags filled, Johnny. Right, here's the van, stacked nicely for the first pickup. Last tellies are going on now. Here's the boiler, we've filled all that. That's full inside there. Just anywhere at the back. Right, so let's get these tellies on, John, go get this machine. Right, Johnny's, we're here, we're at the 200 cars where the machine is. We're going to go in there, assess it, have a quick look, and sort it out, Johnny. Lulu surveying the operation. Still a nice big chunk of metal inside there, a lot. The rad's there. There'll be a fridge pot at the back. Big chunk of metal, Johns. I didn't know it was open. Alright, so what we're going to have to do, lot, get these hinges off the doors first. Take this door off to make it thinner. And then we've got that big lump in the middle. And then it's just going to be that thin then, look. New lump hammer.
Is it on top?
Shall I ask him?
Sure. Huh? I just don't want to snip note in case it's not good. Oh, don't forget. Seeing that is a wire there at the back.
Where's it going?
At the side, the other side. At the side of there. Going through there.
Should we try and shimmy it? What? Going
Oh, you were trying to shimmy it out, yeah. Unless that's it there, though.
Yeah, it will be. It will be, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
We need to get that back.
Get the small hammer, yeah?
Get some snips. Some cook. I think they're at the top, where I sit. Just tip it off. here.
I'll get behind you and push it.
Get the door off first.
There's the snipping things. Do you want to do the bottom bit? I'll do the top.
I'm hoping this is definitely unplugged, isn't it? Snipping.
Huh?
Isn't it? Snipping it.
It's not, trust me, that's the plug, 100%. Not sure it has, just in case. You just hold the door, though. It looks like it is a little bit.
You're not going to work that off.
What? That sounds like a challenge to me, though. Good. I look at this side.
Put it on with that little thing.
It's coming. That's just gone back in.
Dropping, isn't it? What will you put it up?
Right.
You're gonna have to help me, man.
No, you need to depend.
I've got a right headache. Push that. Lift it, whack it up a bit. And then I'll try and whack it that way. Yeah.
No, you need to get it out. So it needs to come all the way up. It's probably better off working that way.
Pull it as far open as it can.
Move this out of here. Right, so my head up for that.
Right, so there's that lot, hardly done though, you can see it cracking. Snuck downstairs to get the steel saw started.
Take them out.
Really zip it in and then turn it back on. Let them know then, Ricky. We're going to make a bit of noise for literally 5 seconds.
I say though, we're just going to have to cut this a quick sec, so I'm just going to make a little bit of noise for like 1 minute, not even doing it. Oh, can't, it's not got no screws on it, it's all like studs. But yeah, we'll not be long, 5 min.
Not even 5 minutes.
Not cutting, but yeah, we should have it out in 5 min. Go on then.
I'm going to have to stand up here and do it.
Why? They'll cut it straight down there.
Yeah, it's going to cut easier if I stand up here and put it there.
Come on then.
It's going to make a bit of noise for literally 1 minute, though. Is that?
It fucking landed on my foot.
Grab it then. Yeah.
One second.
Wait, because this bit opens inside as well, you know.
What?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey! Tio!
Touch this. Stop. Need the snips.
Right, so we can't find the plug. We don't know if the electric's still on, and look who's the donut having to snip it.
I don't know if my foot's broke.
Oh yeah, it landed on Lulu's foot. But yeah, the electric's definitely not on anyway, because I've just snipped through some of it. Right, that's the door off. You want to put it on its side? No. You want to slide it down now. That's going through his iron, eh? Right, the door's off, look, as you can see. Down in here is where the good bits are. You see there, look, copper alley rad inside. There'll be a big motor under here. And then this, I think, I'll have another good look at that in there, but that, if anything, it's going through his iron, eh? Got bits of wire that all go through it. So let's try and loosen this, get this bit jiggled out, and let's get it down these stairs, Johns.
Stuff on the floor.
That's not.
Yeah.
Right, I've got another big copper alley rod back there. Right, this has been here 20 years, I bet there's some right stuff stashed down at the back of it. Plenty of roll-ups. Right, do you think it'll go flat there if you move that chair?
No, for that.
You need to shimmy it out a bit. You need to get that bit off your lights, doesn't it? Now your way. Just a tiny bit. Lou! We need you! Right, just put it this way, we're going to have to just do that sometime, do it? Keep going. Come out the way. No. Definitely not holding it. Give it a little tiny bit arc on it. So as we're pushing it back a little bit now, we need to slide this way a bit. I'll go underneath
Wait,
it.
I'll try and put it.
Alright, so go on then.
Wait, watch my legs, watch my legs. We need to lift it up and under, yeah? That's it. Come on, keep going.
Ah!
Right, a minute. I need to,
I'm lifting, you have to pull.
yeah, we need to lift and push towards that way. Now, keep going, a little bit more. Right. You might be able to shimmy it out. Nice, like that way. You might be able to
Have a
shimmy
look.
it. It's not far away. It's just like that bit here. Push
Come on then,
that.
same again.
Yeah, right, you're out.
This time we're definitely going to have to do it like that, Kez.
That's coming.
That's alright. I know.
I don't think you can fix one, is there?
What, yeah?
Yeah, look back.
Should have been to me. way first. Take it that way to you first. And then to the other way.
Strap on something.
What are you doing?
Push it to me, push it to me, get low. Yeah, keep coming. And spin it.
Are we putting it down? We're not taking any more things out of
You
here.
might have to, yeah?
Take that out of here, it might do some good.
Yeah, slip to there, Johnny boy. But yeah, Lou's had a good idea. Take the pot out, take all these little bits out here, make it a lot lighter. Watch the gas. No, no.
Oh, it's not going to go up there because of that.
No, no, but by the time we're lifting it up, as this is coming in, it will be able to just go up. No, well, trust me, right, lift it with me, then one.
But as you lift,
You're going to get my foot under it, right, so don't just drop it, my foot under it now, look, the next 1, 2, 3.
Walk towards me.
Wait, no, let's start lifting now, look. And now push it. Yeah, stop.
We're not all the way through it, I think. Yeah.
No, we need to turn it now.
Put it back some more.
One sec, bro, 1 second, let's leave it there a sec, we need to start turning now.
Which way are we turning it?
This way.
Yeah, the door, yeah, we need to come back a bit more.
1 second, yeah.
The bottom bit more than it.
Right there?
Grab the bottom. Yeah. And then.
You push, I'll pull. It should be.
Just like.
It's on the foot there. No, it's not, this will be the easy bit. Right, we're at the top of the stairs, John is. And now it's just a quick sledging down, John. No, definitely not. Right, but it doesn't need to be tilted about, so it's all going to have to be this way. That's a good way of getting out of it, guys. They all got the same size muscles. Right, be careful. Start from the middle. Ked, might need to do this side as well, you know.
No, I'm doing it.
All 3 of us though. It's going to start coming in a minute, come. Go on now. Yeah.
Put it after that. Yo,
I've got it.
You grab your foot. We're going to have to stand it up again. Yo.
I've got it. Just bring it right down. Yeah. Right, Johns, 1 sec. I'm trying to think how we're going to get it out of here, bro.
We need to go back and get this bit flat.
Go there, we'll lift it now. Come on, just try once more, legs it up. As soon as you lift it, we'll push. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah, I know. We'll do it now. Right, so we're going to have to check the door off. Door's coming off, and it's coming out, John. I know money is. Right, literally, we're about to take the door off. And now, we're going to see if we can get it down now. We're stuck, John. We're stuck. Right, Johns, it's out. We've done it.
Got there in the end.
Door's come off. A few little incidents, but don't worry about that, do we? Right, now we need to sort this van out, put this in and get it all stuffed inside it. It took us out, we didn't know what we was doing to start with. We got it out there like we always do. So let's get it loaded, John. Yeah, look, here's the other bit, the pot. The cast alley, the copper alley rad's still on there. Look at this. This is what was behind it. Check the little mini amber leaf, 12.5. What we got down here, John? It's like smoker's heaven down here, look. But yeah. Alright, door's going back on, Johnny. The fucking fridge is on. Yes, fully loaded. I'm gonna get everything packed inside it. Right, so last few bits on there. Obviously there's plenty of room underneath there, so we're gonna take this off, rejig it. The door's going back on now. Finished for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click that subscribe button, like, share, do all that. Mad episode today. We got it on, we got there in the end. Let's do this, Johnny. Let's go fill the rest of these bits up and do it. All right.